Leave to
Say
file
it's not
without
possible to take up. You want leave, I'll grant you leave to move a vacation bench.
lordship leave.
Leave granted, lordship.
You want it, I will release the matter, sir. You can move before the another court in that case, sir. If you have such an urgency. Yes, vacation bench.
Lordship leave. Your lordship leave to file without certified copy.
কিরম ভাবে করে জানো একেবারে ব্রিফের পেছনে এন্ডস করে
Order dated 19th of December, last Thursday, lordship stalling the entire process of development. The plaintiff is the owner of the adjacent plot on the ground that
move before the vacation bench.
lordship just leave to file without
No, sir,
certified
sorry.
copy. Your
I will
lordship,
not grant.
your lordship, it's a handwritten order. Your lordship, the certified copy, even the net copy is not available. Your lordship, I'll just show the order. Your lordship, the
Sir, if I grant leave also, you
lordship only to file without certified copy. Your lordship, that's
can't move the vacation bench in that case also.
lordship.
Please understand the situation. Today, if you file this,
Lordship,
unless a leave is granted to move the vacation bench, you cannot move. On the contrary, since the matter has not been filed, you can directly move it before the vacation bench. Seek that leave from the vacation bench. Vacation bench will grant you that leave
lordship,
and
subject
move it before the vacation
lordship,
bench. Yes,
subject to
sir.
correction. Your lordship can grant both the leaves.
No, sorry, sir. I will.
Lordship, move
Unless it is
vacation.
listed, I don't grant the second leave.
Item number 700, the multiplication of leave to move before the vacation bench.
Yes.
Your lordship, these two matters are for extension of interim order. The interim order.
No, sorry. No more extension. You have waited too long, sir, madam. Sorry.
Your lordship,
Lordship will allow for a vacation bench.
Yes, yes. Leave grant.
My lord, may I,
Item number 700.
Your lordship,
Yes, yes.
my lord, may I pray leave to mention, my lord?
Endorse করে পাঠিয়ে দেবে পেছনে সব yes vacation bench yes yes
My lord,
your lordship,
Your
this
lordship.
matter is for release.
wait vacation bench এর leave গুলো দিয়ে দাও vacation সব দিয়ে দাও vacation bench yes any other madam
lordship,
vacation
may I be
vacation bench yes anything else don't mention madam
my lord, my lord, this is an application for expeditious hearing, my lord. I'm not praying for vacation bench, my lord. My lord, all the handwritten order, I'm not getting certified, only prayed for certified. It may not be required, my lord. It is 2010 matter, 771 is pending since.
why are you mentioning sir today
My lord, no, I'm mentioning for leave for filing it without certificate.
no sir sorry sir
Your lordship, this
Lord-
matter is for release.
hand degi
My lord, certificate may not be
Lordship.
required, my lord. I have other documents to prove.
sorry sir I will not grant you leave for certified copy you file it I shall see
lordship,
But unless it is leave is granted, they will not take, my lord.
yes why why are you seeking for release yes why are you seeking for release
Your lordship, this matter.
use the microphone madam
Your lordship, my lord, my lord, this matter appeared before your lordship's elevation. That's why
I had appeared in the matter.
no, my senior appeared in this matter.
Your senior appeared. So, I had appeared in the matter.
No.
Barit Boron Rai.
Your lordship, my senior has asked me to
I'm ascertain these things and come. If senior says something, you're an advocate, madam. Please understand.
My lord, lordship has-
your lordship, may I, your lordship, I know I'm, your lordship, just humbly beseech if your lordship then allows to take it up tomorrow, your lordship, because they installed
I
the
will
entire.
not, sir. I will not. If you want, I can grant a leave to move vacation bench provided you filed it. It has not been filed.
No,
So
your lordship.
therefore, you move directly before the vacation bench. It's easier that way, sir.
my lord, they will not
Very well,
take
lordship.
without
Yes.
granted leave, my lord.
They have not yet filed it. So it is easier to file it
Thursday's
before the
order.
vacation bench.
Lordship, Thursday's order, I'm unable to. get
Naturally,
certified
you
copy.
file it before the vacation bench directly.
Lordship,
You will
but
file
without
it, will not be listed.
Lordship, the difficulty, I do not have a certified copy.
You have to obtain it from the vacation bench who will be taking up the matter. I can't grant you that leave. Since I will not take it up, I can't grant you that leave. If I was interested to take it up, I could have granted the leave. The honorable judge who will be considering the matter, it is discretion to consider whether or not to grant the leave. So he has to apply his mind in the facts of your case, since this matter cannot be listed tomorrow for hearing. Yes, madam.
Lordship has
Grateful,
told you to
lordship.
file it, my lord, but they will not take without your lordship's leave, my lord. That is why, my lord, endorsement.
Your lordship may be permitted for inclusion in the list.
For inclusion in the list.
inclusion. In,
Much obliged.
May I have your lordship's kind leave to mention on section 24 application for inclusion in the list. If it should be taken up in the month of January, because
Not that, item number 1 through 99, monthly list. Application. Lordship, I'm praying for inclusion in the list. Inclusion in the list, your lordship. Yes. Grateful, your lordship.
Lordship, may I be permitted to
daily list item number 1.
Lordship, one matter CO was filed 13 September 2024 and the first hearing date was fixed on 23rd 9. But since then, no list is over there in regard to CO of application. So I'm praying before this Lordship to including 13 September 2024.
What were you doing? You mentioned it earlier.
No, I tried my level best over there, but it was not mentioned.
Just put this note earlier. I did not. I could remember.
No, Lordship, I don't remember. But it's a medical ground.
My lord, on inclusion thought. My lord, this is
Daily list item number 1.
Number 1.
My lord, I brought a further check, my lord, of draft. Not
My lord, I have made a calculation sheet. My lord, may kindly see it.
My lord, this is another 3 lakhs, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 50 each. No. My lord, according to me, up to December, it would be 9 lakhs approximately. My lord, I have paid 6 lakhs up till now, my lord, in two dates. My lord, 3 lakhs is left. My lord, give me some breathing space, my lord. Some breathing space in the sense, my lord, kindly keeps it in the monthly list of January or my lord, sometime in the middle of January. No, my lord will hear me. I'm taking. Absolutely. No, I'm not for a moment disputing that. I'm arranging the fund. My lord, give me some breathing space because by 31st of January, my lord, can it be? Middle of January. No.
Yes, my lord, that is total 5,92,500 rupees up to December.
So that 6 lakhs is paid. Now,
No.
3 lakhs on the last occasion, 3 lakhs now.
On to last occasion, my lord.
3 lakhs now, 6 lakhs.
So total, this is my lord, the calculation. Total is, my lord,
5
apart
lakh.
from the 3 lakhs already paid, not this. Total 5,92,500.
So, my lord, 5 out of 5 lakh 92, 3 lakhs
3
is
lakh is
going,
paid.
2 lakh 92 is left.
92,500 is payable, my lord.
So 2 lakh is remaining. Well, approximately 9. So, my lord, to that extent, some breathing. 15th of January.
Prior to that, my lord, they may pay.
I'll try and arrange the entire fund within that period because I'm being. My lord, if my lord will hear me on the date when I make the full payment, assuming my lord. Yes. Absolutely. So, my lord, I am paying now after this the amount for the rest of the year. My lord, I am that confident to say I am paying that amount for the rest of the year, which is yet to come. Balance of convenience, my lord, is, my lord, to pay the occupational charge apropos the occupation, what I mean. So, my lord, I am paying. No. My lord, that's why whatever I can arrange, my lord, within this day, 6 lakhs I have arranged.
And
The remaining 2 lakh 92, some breathing space.
and my lord, another aspect, my lord.
Item number 2.
Item number 2, my lord, I'm appearing for the wife. Your lordship will kindly take 10 December order. My lord.
Previous occasion, my lord, perhaps.
My lordship will kindly seize the, my lord, the order, my lord. There is no compliance till date, my lord. No compliance.
Instructions of the opposite party, my lord, perhaps was not properly communicated to your lordship, my lord, on the previous occasion. There has been an error on our part, my lord, in paragraph 3, my lord. It is an admitted position by us that there was no payment initially, but what our client meant and we could not convey is that, my lord, that we wanted to comply with the order number 108, that is to pay 50% as directed by the trial court. My lord, we have filed an app. We are filing an application. It has already been, and we have already, my lord, paid the 50% due
Nothing.
before the trial court on
My
17th.
lord, nothing has been paid, my lord. Only lordship will kindly seize.
Receipt has it.
Item number 3, my lord, the matter came under to be mentioned for non-prosecution, my lord. Petitioner don't want to proceed with the case, my lord. Petitioner, the Hassan Ali. No, I'm Rom. My name is Romodip Shah. I'm associated with them also.
I'm Mr.
Item number 4.
Body plaintiff.
Twelfth November. Yes, Your Lordship. In the second paragraph, last third line, on instruction would that submitted on that yeah, that submitted would okay, subject to vote. And on the last third paragraph, second line, opposite party though it must be true. It must be true.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner wife, my lord. Here the petitioner is paying for transfer. My lord, from transfer from the my lord, additional district judge Alipur to my lord, additional district judge Diamond Harbour.
Consent letter from the
Yes,
client
now
for agreeing to
on the last occasion, your lordship's order seen that
Lordship.
yes, my lord. On the last occasion, your lordship recorded.
Directors have got the
My lord, I'm paying transfer from additional district judge Alipur to additional district judge Diamond Harbour. Why? My lord? And my lord, I am not getting my say, maintenance. Last.
I do not have directly. Lordship, kindly transfer the lordship. We can bring up those.
Then your
funds.
lordship extend the interim order. Interim order is still
Lordship,
during.
I am not contesting with the maintenance portion, lordship. We can.
Last 1 year.
We can bring up the contention before. Can actually.
My lord, my lord, interim order be extended because my lord, your lordship was clear. Grateful, lord. Yes, yes. Grateful. Grateful.
Please, my lord, I am for the petition. My lord, this is the extension of interim order. My lord, on 16th May, my lord, this interim order passed. Subsequently, my lord, on 3rd October, my lord, it is extended. It will expire, my lord. My lord, only one prayer, my lord, kindly, very short matter, fixed any date, my lord. My lord, kindly fixed a date, my lord.
Next, other.
My lord, as listed motion, my lord. My lord, because my lord, earlier direction first on 16th May, my lord, justice. My lord, very short matter, it can be.
Ex-parte. The order was passed. No, there was no caveat. There was no position of any service.
Item number 7.
But I am for the petitioner. Pursuant to the direction passed by this honorable court, I serve copy upon the opposite parties. The opposite party number 1 and the learned advocate in the court below received this. My lord, I have checked. No, not valid. My lord, it expires, my lord, at the end of October. My lord, on the reopening on 4th October, my lord, I mentioned this matter. On 8th November, my lord, I filed this. On 4th November, your lordship has determination. I mentioned this matter. On 8th November, my lord, I filed this application. My lord, I have paragraph 3, my lord, I have stated. PS3.
applicant, my lord, my lord, this is evidence service, my lord. My lord, interim order initially granted on 13th June, thereafter it was extended 25th September, my lord. Let this interim order be extended and fixed a date.
Number 1 to 10. We have plaintiff in the suit for partition. Suit for partition, my lord, because the strong entry in the record of rights was there. That's why state has been made as a party. My lord? No. State is required as a as a pro forma defendant to support the case of the plaintiff because they have recorded the record of, they have prepared the record of rights. No, my lord, this
My lord, kindly see page.
Order 1, Rule 10 has been allowed.
Last 2 pages, my lord.
In that order, the defendant number 1. Order 1, Rule 10. Addition of a defendant number 23. What happened, my lord? Suit for partition. But at the stage of argument, at the stage of passing judgment, one application under Order 1, Rule 10 has been filed. No, passing a preliminary degree. Yes. Preliminary degree not passed. One application under Order 1, Rule 10 filed. That was allowed. Challenging that order, they have.
My lord, 23 already
what happened?
served, my lord. 23 but Babur Ali Sheikh.
Claiming his right to a sale deed executed by the defendant number 23, who was minor at that point of time. Sale deed executed by the minor through her mother, through his mother. But the defendant 23 is a Muslim person. As per Muslim law, mother is not a natural guardian. I'm suffering. I'm paying you also the kind of dispose of the revisional application. The short point. Very short point involved.
My lord. Kindly extend the interim order.
Number 9.
9, I am for the petitioner, but I am led by Mr. Pankaj Haldar. But today's application fixed for extension of interim order. That was expired on 30th November 2024. And later on, my lord, the matter was mentioned before Honorable Justice Vibhas Ranjan De. He passed an order for placing the matter in the regular bench, my lord. That's why the delay caused.
My lord, if it is extended, we will suffer because that issue. You have been suffering for a long time.
No applications.
Yeah, find the caveat. In spite of that, they will mention that.
Grateful. Grateful, my
Order number 10.
Your Lordship, I am for the petition, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I am praying for re-imposition of the order of the interim order passed on 16th of July, Your Lordship. This is the stay was till October, or to the end of October. I filed it on. Yes, yes, Lordship. It has been delivered, Your Lordship. Yes, yes. Lordship can say. Yes, it's delivered. And thereafter, before mentioning also, I have sent the notice, though every service. End of October, Your Lordship, I filed it in 5th of November, Your Lordship, just the day after reopening, Your Lordship.
Can dispose of, can সব একটু বাদ উঠবো হ্যাঁ
11.
I'm for the petitioner wife, my lord. I'm praying for extension of interim order. Order was passed 5th July 2024 and it was extended 1st October and will expire, my lord, 31st December. It is my affidavit service.
Non appears. Where is the affidavit service? Have you checked up?
Yes, my lord. It's deliberate.
Having despite
In this matter, my lord,
you're there.
and the release, my lordship directed the matter to be listed for releasing, but matter is not appearing.
Which one?
Matter is not in the list, not in the list.
I cannot do it. I will be, I'll give it tomorrow.
My lord, determination, because my lord appear in this matter.
Tomorrow, it is not in the list, Mr. Ghosh.
That's why I'm for discussing the matter, Lord.
Why are you mentioning it now?
I mentioned the matter. Like,
At the time of rising, you mentioned when I said that.
my junior, your lordship needs to entertain that.
Okay, করে দিও না এগুলো, দিয়ে দাও না, please.
He mentioned the matter. My lord.
Yes.
Lord, explain.
April. দাও.
Item number 12. Lord, this matter I beg to appear for the petitioner. Am I audible to your lordship?
Yes, Mr. Kormukar.
My lord. My lord, interim order is going to expire, my lord. Kindly extends that, my lord. This pertains to, my lord, amendment application.
Your lordship, I am being led by Mr. Karmakar only.
Where is the opposite party, Mr. Kormukar? Where is the opposite party, Mr. Kormukar? Have you served?
Lord, we have served, Lord, as per your lordship's direction. Lord, the affidavit service, my learned Lord friend is there, Lord. She shall.
Your lordship, I will file it during the course of the day, your lordship.
Not today. Affidavit service নেই হবে না. Other side নেই.
Lord, takes it up tomorrow, my lord. In that case, my lord.
On the reopening date, I'll place it, Mr. Kormukar. I still do it.
Your lordship,
Not the interim order.
your lordship, the interim
Asha,
order.
very good.
Mr. Kormukar, these are all end of December. On the reopening date, if you come forward, matter is run.
Very good.
বেরো এখান থেকে।
নাহলে কালকে দিও, যদি হয় নাহলে দিও, যদি সই ঠিক থাকে দিও তাহলে দেবো। Yes.
13. Lucky 13.
Item number 13.
For the executive service,
What are you asking? Extension of the interim order.
You have to reimpose.
Extension of the interim order.
Why my lord is saying like this? They will not brief me. I will not earn.
What about your junior?
They will also earn. He is back pain, my lord. He cannot rise.
It's only applicable to the solicitors, you see. The others, it is not applicable. Yes.
In chamber matter, no chance. কি রে
Yes,
সার্ভিস করেছিস
yes.
ভাই?
Yes, sab upon.
তো ক্যাবিনেট করিসনি তো সার্ভিস
My lord, the affidavit of service harp upon the lower court advocate who is appearing on
তো
their
একে দিসনি কেন?
and also the opposite party, my lord.
Tomorrow.
কেন?
My lord, also opposite party.
একে দিসনি কেন?
Serve him. He's appearing in the matter. Serve him. What is this going on?
কাইন্ডলি ঠিকঠাক অ্যাপ টুমরো।
Yes. ওটাও কালকে দিয়ে দেবে কর্মকরের চোখ।
চিঠি দিয়েছে তোকে দিসনি কেন?
তাহলে আপনার ডিটেইলসটা দিন আমি এ করে দিচ্ছি।
Item number 14.
Lord, I beg to appear for the petition in both the revisional application. There is an application for extension. Now, this is my affidavit of service. My interim order has expired on 31st of October. Subsequent to that, on the reopening I have mentioned.
Where is your application?
My application I filed, there are two applications.
For reimposition, you have filed.
For extension of interim order.
Extension is over, sir. File reimposition. I can't treat Mr. Mukherjee all applications for extension as reimposition.
Kindly, my lord, will see the
extension. It was over. How can I extend the interim order?
May I be given leave to correct the prayer, my lord, and come? Because, my lord, why I'll tell your lordship, this is a suit for declaration and injunction, my lord.
As prayed for, leave is granted to the petitioner's advocate to correct the prayer portion of the aforesaid application, list this matter on the returnable date. Leave in course of the day. You do it in course of the day. Application for reimposition. So effectively, affidavit of service is there.
Yes, I filed. Let it be kept on record. I will take it.
Filed in court is taken on record. Petition is directed to serve the copy of the corrected application being can
one in both the civil revision and
can one of 2024 on in respect of both the civil revisional applications on the opposite parties and to file affidavit of service to that effect when the matter. To be mentioned, same. You, same heading. Under the same heading.
আমাকে একটু পিটিশনটা দিন
16.
Well, this affidavit
What is
service matter.
What is the matter?
Matter is, well, partition should, there is an.
He wants to file an opposition. What?
I beg to.
Let him. Yes. What?
Matter is my
Application for what?
The suit is for partition, my lord. Written statement has been.
Yes, what is this is the application for what? This application is for what?
Application for amendment of the plaint, my lord.
Then extension of interim order application.
Extension is at their instance, my lord.
Mine.
So this is an application for extension of the interim order.
I have not. I was not served any copy of extension of.
Hey, service করা হয়েছে একসঙ্গে করা হয়েছে
Are you want to file in the main matter?
Main matter, my
Are, where is the service?
Main angle with the application he doesn't have. Well,
Wait, show me affidavit of service.
well that is.
That is the main matter. What
No, my lord. With that application is also served.
Oh, you did not initially serve the application. Only for extension you served it.
No. Both the application is served.
How can you serve it together?
This is one.
How can you serve it together?
My lord.
No, sir. The order was passed in the month of September. You served it together. Extension and the. You re-argue the matter on the reopening date.
My lord, then here.
No, I will not extend the interim.
My lord, extend the interim out for 15 days and fix it up any days, my lord. Fix it up.
Only on this reason, only on this ground that you did not serve him with the copy of the revisional application as directed by the court.
My lord, revisional application is served.
When, sir?
My lord, it is served on the prior to vacating the stay order, my lord.
When?
It is third week of November. It is up to 20th.
September, you waited till November.
Well, October was the vacation, my lord. September was the vacation, my lord.
What was the order?
September, October is the totally
There
vacation.
was directed to serve by speed post.
There was speed post is written with the endorsement that is the petitioner left, and it is also directed to serve upon the advocate. It is also served upon the advocate. Advocate
When did you send it first of all? That is the most vital thing.
Advocate received that.
This does not give you any authority to seek for extension when you do not comply with the order. Oh, you sent it on 20th November.
Yes.
Well, to the learned advocate.
Where is the previous one?
The previous one is well, there, my lord. It is returned, my lord.
No, find it out. This is to the learned advocate. দেখো না।
22nd 11th. It is written on the next date.
Only communication.
No. Along with the
any communication prior there to?
Yes, my lord. It is
Where is that letter?
That is the letter.
22nd.
22nd.
Yes. No, affidavit of service.
Well, in the meantime, short stay.
On the reopen, what stay? What will happen in the meantime?
No, I'm not here. If it is not hard.
Final consideration on the reopening date. I'll complete your matter.
My lord, if interim order prayed, that would be.
Same heading it will appear. What is this, sir? It will appear on the same heading. I'll take up your matter on that.
Yes, my lord. I'm ready, my lord. Even your lordship is.
Did not the direction, sir. That is why I'm not.
Well, if your lordship.
I've only said that you are not entitled to extension because of your conduct.
My lord, if your lordship intends to hear today, I am ready also.
No, this court does not have that time to hear today. There are other matters which are pending.
My
On
lord.
the reopening date, I'll hear.
My lord, as your
Yes.
lordship.
At this stage করে দিও ওই এটাকে at this stage করে দিও at this stage I'm not prejudicing your client, but you ought to have been careful, sir. Yes.
Number 17.
Whose
My application for extension.
Yes.
But my application for extension, my lord, original order was passed on 2nd July 2024 by Honorable Justice Bishwajit Basu. I have filed an affidavit of service by which the matter was served on them.
Cannot be any extension on this. Why I say that?
No, is the application for vacating is there.
No, my lord, because here this interim order had expired, my lord.
Yes.
In November.
Expired.
Yes.
November.
And not as
The
of
application
now,
for re-imposition.
I have taken out an application.
on 19th of December.
Yes, 19th of December. I mentioned.
After expiry.
I mentioned the matter before your lordship. May I?
Sir,
as you-
I'll grant you leave, correct it. Mr. Mukherjee, the moment he corrects this, your technical objection will go. Then I will consider it on the reopening.
Then the lordship kindly, my lord.
On the prayer of Mr. Ghosh, learned advocate, representing the cannot be extended. Where is the extension? It is over. I'll fix it.
Order 7 Rule 11. Your lordship will kindly fix it after vacation.
Let him have the interim order. I do not know what will.
Application.
On the
I
prayer
cannot
of
take
Mr.
credit
Ghosh,
for the
learned
application.
advocate representing the petitioner. Court had entertained it. That's a difficulty. No vacating application.
There's nothing.
Maybe nothing.
Leave is granted to the petitioner's advocate. Your technical objection, yes, correct. You are right.
Under compulsion.
No, you are right.
Father said that you ensure that this matter is heard by January.
No, you are right, Mr. Mukherjee. Technically, no extension is possible. So now he can correct it.
And not even that prayer.
But in some matters I have allowed, but I should not allow. This correction should be there. You have to correct it. Otherwise, it happens that if you have to take court for the granted,
Yes.
that should not be permitted.
Great.
Daku. Upper affidavit of service filed in court is taken on record.
Item number 18.
Lordship, I am for the defendant petitioner suit for declaration and recovery of khas possession. Lordship, the DW2, Lordship, on the date of cross-examination could not appear and due to medical grounds, expunge, challenging the other orders also.
What was expunged? The affidavit in chief was expunged.
Affidavit, the cross-examination of DW2.
Because he did not appear on a particular
date due to medical.
Other side. Bring his other side on the reopening.
So this is an extension of interim order. I got the interim order.
Bring him on the reopening date. Same position.
Lots of the interim order already have expired and I have filed an application for extension. Also.
When did it expire?
30th November it has been expired.
When did you apply? When did you apply for extension?
24th November. 24th November.
Filed plan application.
Can one has been filed on 24th November?
Yes.
Are you sure?
24th or 26th? Exactly.
Prior to the date of expiry. This is my affidavit of service I have already.
Affidavit of service filed in court, you have served everyone.
Yes. Revision. এই অর্ডারটা কমিউনিকেশন হ্যাঁ
আর দুটো দেখে
This is for the extension of the interim order. Interim order is expiring on the end of December.
I have served.
There is a service.
Served. Fine.
Checked up.
Served. Served on the advocate and on the party immediately after the order.
Affidavit of service filed in court is taken on record. Despite service.
Second.
The service petitioner is directed to communicate the procedural on the opposite.
May I please say, Lordship. Pursuant to the direction of on 18 July, Lord, I have served.
জায়গাটা উঠে এসে বলেছি ওটা তো এই আছে না ইন ক্যামেরা আছে তো ম্যাট্রিমোনিয়ালস একটু দেখে নিও অর্ডারটা দেখে নিও ইয়েস স্যার ইয়েস স্যার
My Lord, pursuant to the order of this court, I have served immediately, both in hand, with the Lord court below and also speed post.
The interim order is matter
Yes, till end of December.
Matter pertains to ex-parte decree beyond prescribed time. Setting aside of ex-parte decree. Prescribed time. What is the prescribed time? Prescribed time. File an appeal from this. What is the proceeding? Yes, sir.
Lord, ex-parte decree was obtained. I did not file an application for Lord order 9 group 13 for security. That is the mistake.
No, prescribed time means.
Lord, we were not aware of the.
That's why I'm saying it, on the face of it, it is beyond the prescribed time.
Yes, we have filed an application under section.
On the face of it, it is beyond prescribed time.
Lord,
If, sir, two things, Mr. Bhatt. It is beyond prescribed time as per the date of decree, one thing. From the date of knowledge, prescribed time. Date of knowledge, prescribed time. Matter will come to an end. Tell me that. No, you know it better, Mr. Bhattacharya. You know all your matters by heart.
No.
Yes,
Yesterday, but I
no.
extension.
Let me see. Where is your application? Tenancy. No stay. Yes, order 9 rule 13 application is there, page 18. Come to that.
Yes.
Sir, you filed the application. It is your petition.
Yes, this is in the High Court. I have filed the application.
Which paragraph of the petition? Order 9 rule 13. That he was aware.
No, I have not filed order 9 rule 13.
You are challenging the order of stay. Prima facie, you have to demonstrate from the petition itself that he was not only aware, he did not move it within time.
No, they have filed.
Rule 13 is when ex-parte order is passed.
No, that is my objection. Ex-parte order on the part. They appeared, paid for time to file the WS, then they appeared.
So what? Oh, file WS. Appeared to file WS. WS চাইলে হবে না?
No, page 20, para 10.
That is my objection.
Para 9 also. Para 9 also.
CPC দাও না, ওঠো না। গল্প করতে ব্যস্ত হচ্ছে। বই দিচ্ছে, মেয়ার উঠে দিচ্ছে, তোমাদের দেবার কথা কি গো? তোমরা কি করো কি? বই এসে গেছে, ঠিক আছে, খেয়াল রাখো এখানে অন্যদিকে গল্প করার।
Kindly see the impugned order, 18th of May, which I have challenged.
Just a minute. Two aspects are there. One, that he was not aware. Two, that on that date he was not there. Both has to be satisfied. Not both. Not both.
Order 9, Rule 9. On the date of dismissal, my lord, I was
He was prevented, date of dismissal and summons not served. So defendant files comes
So
to.
summons was duly served.
So order 9, Rule 13.
13, my lord, on the date of, my lord, not there. This order 9, Rule 9.
No, come to order 9. Setting aside of ex-parte decree.
Yes.
On the date, both. Both. You check up? Yes, Mr. Water. Okay, দাও, okay, দাও. দেখছি। If he satisfied the court that the summons was duty served or he was prevented from sufficient cause from appearing when the suit was called on for hearing.
Yes.
Satisfied because the summons was both has to be satisfied.
Alternative.
Alternative.
Any one has to be. So here first point goes, you had notice, defendant.
Para 9, para 10 is my category.
Doesn't matter. You go when to file WS. So you had notice.
No, para 9.
Second part, you were not aware on that date.
No.
I will hear out this matter also.
Yes.
On third.
Can you extend the interim order?
I thought it would be extended to that.
Very well. You don't want it, sir. You don't want it. What is the nature of stay you are enjoying?
Execution.
Either you succeed or you don't succeed.
But if it is
Third.
that I have not
On third.
Yes.
Having heard the learned advocates appearing for the If I don't come back, then I will sit from my chamber and do it. I'll take up. It's a matter that I'll try to take up. I'll try. Nobody can assure anything, but I'll try.
12:30 matter.
I said that I'll come back and do it. ওটা কি চেম্বারে আছে? অর্ডারটা কি আছে? I'll come back here, do it, and দেখি কি অর্ডারটা আছে দেখি। তাহলে চেম্বারে পাঠিয়ে দাও, দেখি অর্ডারটা দেখি চেম্বারে পাঠিয়ে দাও। হ্যাঁ, পারবো না।
কলটা ওরা কল করবে কি করে? কল করবে কি করে? ওখান থেকে কলটা শুনবে? হ্যাঁ, শোনা যাবে।
আমি ডিসপ্লে বোর্ড এখানে নিচে
না না, ওরা কলটা জানবে কি করে? ওটে
কোটি শুনতে পারতো কল কল এখান দিয়ে করবেন নাকি?
না না, ওখানে
ওখানে করলে ওরা শুনতে পাবে।
আমরা শুনতে পাবো তো এখানে? ঠিক আছে, দাও কল। কল বল, কল। Is call the list.
Item number 21. Item number 21.
I'm for the petitioner. Service matter. Is up to end of the December 2024.
The interim order which is valid.
Up to the end of December 2024.
Having heard the learned advocates appearing for the respective parties. Yes, who is appearing for the opposite party?
Yes, I have informed.
Where is the opposite party? Is it there?
Immediately after the order. The copy
Where
has
is
been
the affidavit of service? Where is the affidavit of service?
I have given this. The opposite party have been served.
Yes, you check. Kindly check up, sir. Has it been served? Kindly check up.
2024. 13th August 2024.
Very well. This affidavit of service filed in court is taken on record. Full stop. Despite service, none appears on behalf of the opposite parties. Full stop. With the interim order passed on 19 July 2024. Interim order is 19 July, which is valid till the end of December 2024. Be extended till the end of August 2025 or until further order, whichever is available. This matter in the monthly list of March 2025. Under the heading of this table.
22 হয়ে গেছে তো 21 22
22 বলেছি ডাকো আমি বলেছি
Item number 22.
মানে 22 I have to serve this copy.
21 and 22 is the same matter.
I tell lordship, 21 the son's matter, 22 is the father's matter. The same issue.
Identical date the order has been passed. Show me the 22 order to the order of 19 July. 19 July, yes.
Item number 23.
No. Sir, in item number 22, where is the interim order?
No, 22, my lord, this matter will be taken up along with the item number 21. This order was passed.
Where is that or direction?
The order is passed.
Let
19 July. On 19 July, but there the order was passed that my lord, the petitioner directed to serve the copy of the opposite party by speed post the acknowledgement due, intimating the matter will be included in the monthly list of the November 2021 to the heading motion. In addition to the above, the petitioner is also required to give notice coming to the order of the learned advocate representing the party. The petitioner is to file affidavit of service. Place this matter in the list along with the CO number 2529. That is item number 21.
That is item number 25. Very well. পরেরটাই লেখো। না, ওইটা তলাই লেখো। Let the application being CO 2532 in terms of the order dated 17 July 2024 continue to be placed. Hmm. Continue to be placed in the list along with CO 2529 of 2024. Interim order is only in one matter. Yes. No, in record order. Yes, call the next matter. ওটার সঙ্গে জুড়ে
23, item number 23. I appear on behalf of the petitioner, my lord. There was an interim order which was subsisting till 30th of November. I have preferred an application for extension of the interim order on 28th of November. I have already served the affidavit of service. I'm filing in
interim order was valid till
30th of November. Lordship may kindly take up my CAN application. CAN
and
1.
what is the service affidavit of service?
Lordship, I have already handed over the copy of the affidavit of
Check
service.
it up. Tell me whether it is served on all.
Lordship, it has been affected. Lordship, barring because there are, I was also asked to serve upon the advocates. Lordship, all have been sent.
It's all right. What about the parties?
Lordship, parties also, including the parties.
The affidavit of service would disclose that everyone has been served.
Barring two. Barring all have been served. Only in two it is says item dispatched, Lordship.
Which two, sir?
Lordship, Lordship may kindly allow to me. Lordship, that would be opposite party number 8 and opposite party number 5. Rest all have been served.
Opposite party number 8. Are you sure?
Lordship, that is what I gathered. Let me just.
Petition does not have opposite party number 8.
No. Lordship, I'm sorry. 8 is the advocate on record, appearing for one of the defendants.
So has not been served. Advocate on record has not been served.
One of them, the other one has been served, and one of the party has not.
Very well. So advocate on record for the defendant number.
That I do not know, my lord, because I was told by my conducting advocate there were two advocates.
Ascertain all this. Profile a proper of affidavit of service on the reopening date. It's very difficult, sir. How can I extend?
Lordship, what has happened? This is a suit for declaration and injunction, Lordship. It is my property. There are certain encroachers. Most of them have been served, Lordship, barring two. What I see, one of the
all the parties have to be served. Please understand the situation. You have obtained an order on the first date. Since there was no caveat, now you have to serve complete service. If service is not complete, then the whole object of directing service will be lost. Please understand the situation.
Lordship, may I kindly assist, my lord?
Take back your affidavit of service. I'll place it on the returnable date. Take instructions and come back. I will not pass any orders today so that it doesn't prejudice you. Your application is within time, so I'll extend it on that date.
The defendants are all brothers, my lord. Most of the
maybe someone may be supporting you, someone may not be supporting you.
No, none of them are supporting me because they are all encroachers.
I don't know, sir. Someone you have served, some ascertain and come back. You identify who has not been served. Now, if it ultimately transpires that the advocate for a particular defendant who has not been served and the defendant also not been served, then it becomes difficult. Then you take steps.
Lordship, may kindly keep it pass over.
Not pass over today. On the reopening date, as it is the interim order, you're expired. So I'll reimpose it.
My lord, application for extension of interim order was filed within time, my lord.
That does not give you a right of extension. I'll reimpose it. But since for the reason the court could not take it up, I'll do it without you making any corrections.
My lord. Should I serve them a fresh notice, my lord?
Yeah. If you so desire, otherwise take a chance on the reopening date.
My lord, to may kindly direct, then I shall file my affidavit of service.
List this matter on reopening date.
Lord, you may kindly direct me fresh service, I shall do so.
I'll not direct you. You serve whatever you. If you can show me on that date also, either the advocate or the defendant has been served, it is okay.
My lord. Number 24, item number 24.
My lord, I am for
Under the same.
Lord, I am for the petitioner. My lord, the interim order shall expire on 30th December.
Yes, where is your service on the other side, madam?
My lord, I have, it is in the file, in the record. I have served upon the advocate of the other side and also the petitioner, opposite party.
Despite service, none appears. No, how would they know? You mentioned or notice to them.
But they are not appearing, my lord. I have to serve the post. They are not done. Is
How do you know they are not appearing? When was the order passed?
It was in the past in the it was passed in on 4th October 2024.
Then how do you know they are not appearing?
Because that day they didn't appear. I have served there is affidavit of service in the file.
On 4th October, that was the first date. There was
Extended.
caveat. No caveat endorsement was there.
I have served upon them on the advocates and also
It appears that the petitioner, we did not communicate this order to them.
yes,
Where is your communication of this order?
it
Ms.
is
Ghosh?
Ms. Ghoshal.
Where is your communication of this order, Ms. Ghosh?
Ms. Ghoshal.
Ghoshal, yes. Where is the communication of this order?
Affidavit of service is not ready.
Since the petitioner is unable to demonstrate service, let this matter stand adjourned and appear under the same heading of the reopening date.
Keep domination.
Item number 25.
So this is my application, my lord. I have already served the copy, my lord, of the application upon the opposite party, when the learned advocate also.
But I have filed an application for vacating the interim order, my lord. I am seriously opposing the extension.
My lord, interim order has already been, my lord. Interim order was
And
granted
one is
on.
Bhattacharya, Mr. Bhattacharya, I'll do this. I'll place it in January sometime. Today I cannot take it up. Since your vacating application is there, I'll place it on that date. I'll extend it limited period and hear it.
Lord, the proceedings
Interim order
till
till 35.
month of April, no extension.
No, it is
No extension.
Well, they filed an application.
I do not mind. I don't mind. But
Both
no,
of you talk, it will be difficult. Kindly wait. Yes, Mr. Bhattacharya, what do you want to say?
Lord, the proceedings before the learned trial courts is fixed sometimes in April. Milord, Lordship is keeping it in January sometimes. Lordship keeps it, I don't mind. But Milord, no extension. I'll demonstrate.
Milord,
Milord,
it is
the
On the reopening date. I'll fix it on the reopening date. These matters on the reopening date.
Well, in the meantime, you will also extend the interim order.
No, not at all.
Yes, 31st.
Because the you two, my lord, bill of the list. Printing of the list, my lord.
I'll demonstrate, Milord, when your Lordship filed, he has a revision application itself is not maintainable.
My lord,
Mr. Bhattacharya, today I cannot hear the matter. So therefore, I have to give ordinarily, sir, I hear these matters. If a small matter is there.
It is, my lord. It is possible, my lord. Only a file application, file an application of vacating. For that reason,
Have you heard the learned advocates appearing for the respective parties?
my interim order will not be extended.
That I am opposing
Let the interim order, which is valid till. Having heard the learned advocates appearing for the respective parties, though extension of the interim order is opposed by the learned advocate representing the opposite party. Opposite parties, comma. Let the interim order stand extended for a limited period up to the end of January 2025.
I did
place this matter under the same heading on the reopening date. On reopening date, third. Extend করে দিয়েছি same heading.
Item number 26.
Same heading on that date. It is made clear that the matter shall be finally disposed of on that date.
And matter will list in top in that because my lord interim order.
কি বললাম sorry. না তার আগে. Extended for limited period up to the end of January 2025 with a further direction that the matter shall be taken up for final consideration on 3rd January 2025.
There is no Milord use in keeping the applications pending. Milord, they become redundant. Milord,
No,
getting
application.
Taken away along with the my lord revision application.
Mr. Bhattacharya, your submissions are taken into consideration on the returnable date. এটা আসছে সেম পজিশনে, বুঝতে পেরেছো? একই 3 তারিখে, একই position, 3 তারিখে। Everything is vacating application is here.
Item number 26.
26, I am for the petitioners, my lord. Order passed on 17th September 24, interim order till 31st January, December 24. Only there's a direction, only there is a contesting one defendant, he received it. The opposite party number 2A received it, but the postal packet sent to the respondent number 2A to 2C to 2D returned back left without address. Although who received the, my lord, the postal packet, he, on behalf of my 2A is the father of the other defendant. They are all pro forma, my lord, defendants there. The person who contesting the he received it.
Having got the learned advocate appearing for the petitioner and considering the affidavit of, when is the affidavit of service?
Well, this I have handed for.
And considering the affidavit of service which is filed in court is taken on record, since the petitioners would submit the service on the defendant number 2.
One, defendant number 1 and 2 affected, 1 and 2A, but 2C to 2D, well, kindly see, return back with the postal remarks, left without address.
2C, 2D means I did not get it. The person has died in that case.
They are the, my lord, they are the, my lord, sons and daughters of the dependent number, pro forma dependent number 2A, who received it. But he did not disclose their present address. So it returned back. We are residing the same address, same village. The plaintiffs, the contesting defendant, and also
Publish it. Matter cannot be heard like.
Till 31st, my lord, the interim order is taken.
Considering the evidence service filing petition on record, since the petitioners who submit is unable to demonstrate service on all the defendants, though service on some of the defendants, though service on some of the defendants has been effected, let the matter stand adjourned and appear under the same heading in the monthly list of February 2025. Also, let the interim order stand extended for a limited period up to the end of February 2025. So the petitioner is directed to ensure, is directed to serve a copy of this order on all the opposite parties and to file affidavit of service to the effect from the when none appears for the offense.
Deeply obliged till 28th February, my lord.
এখন দেওয়া যাবে না, একই দিনে আর অনেক হয়ে গেছে।
Item number 27.
But I am praying for extension of interim order. The affidavit has been served upon the private parties and they have already appeared. This is the affidavit of service I am filing.
Opposite party now 1 core to 1 more.
All opposite parties have been served, duly served.
You are appearing for opposite parties.
No,
Okay, opposite party now 1 core to 1 more.
There is the affidavit of service.
I have just tendered. This is
despite affidavit of service filed in court is taken on record. Despite service, none appears. No. Despite service, only opposite parties numbers.
1 core to 1 more. 1 core to 1 more.
What core to all? In the High Court, how has he described the opposite parties?
This is the cost title, so that I.
What cost title? Come to the cost title of the petition, sir.
Yes, Lordship, kindly see the cost title.
Yes, I can find the cost title in the application.
No, the Lordship, in the revisional application.
opposite party number 1.
1 core.
That is dependent. 1. How have we described it?
That is stated in the plaint as this, that has been reproduced here.
1K to 1K, stop 1KHA, comma, 1 GAA, then,
one GHA
GHA
and
then one UNA.
and 1 UNA. So how many persons are there?
Only
One core, then one core,
5 private respondents and different office party number 2 is a BLRO.
wait, sir. One core. Then you are appearing for?
one go.
I have heard it.
One.
How many persons? 3 persons?
Five lossy.
1, 2, 3. One core, one GA, one GHA, and one UNA are represented. So the opposite party remains unrepresented in court today. Open affidavit of service value.
The interim order expiring this month, my lord.
Having considered the application being Can 1 of 2024, which has been filed, having considered the application being Can 1 of 2021, and noting that the interim order is valid till the end of December 2024, on the prayer of the learned advocate representing the petitioners, let the interim order stand extended till the end of August 2025, or the further order which should be decided. Is this matter under the heading contested application? Not.
Lossy kindly, it was appeared in a returnable motion lossy in the month of February lossy.
My lord, madam, in the meantime, the matter is not disposed of state. In lower court will start proceedings. Then it will file another extension of petition.
Call the list.
Item number 28.
Much of it.
28 मतलब डान पर petitioner. मतलब this is my, I think 28.
Who's appearing for the opposite party, Mr. Halda?
मतलब this is the मतलब plaintiff's application for amendment मतलब has been rejected. Which is a subsequent event.
I think today is the date for fixing of extension of interim order, Your Lordship.
Kindly fix a date, मतलब very.
Kindly fix a date for hearing, Your Lordship.
Having not the learning advocate appearing for the respective parties, that the interim order passed on 17th September 2024, which is valid till the end of December 2024, be extended till the end of extended till the end of August 2025. This is matter under the heading contested application.
मतलब kindly मतलब minimize this way because मतलब landlord suit for eviction मतलब 2007 suit. Now we are in 2024. मतलब kindly fix a date मतलब after the reopening मतलब. I am suffering.
You have come forward. You have obtained a stay.
That's
almost.
Well, evidence service be kept with the record. Evidence.
I'll tell you about yes.
Item number 29.
I'm for the petitioner. I'm for the petitioner. Service has been affected all the parties, my lord.
Opposite parties. But initially I was not on caveat. Today your lordship is taking up for the first time. I am appearing for the opposite party. Your lordship can extend the interim order, but kindly keep open the maintainability point. I have some issue with regard to the maintainability of the.
This is not a read petition. It's although a Article 227 matter, but it will not stand closed. You can always argue it, sir. Hear it.
But since I am today appearing, your lordship can keep that.
No, it's all right. I'll hear you on that date.
Great.
Having not the if affidavit of service, where is your affidavit of service?
Till December, my lord. Till interim order till end of December, my lord.
Sir, what are you challenging, sir? An order passed under Order 21, Rule 97.
99, 99, 99, my lord. Appeal has been, originally it has been rejected by the trial court. Thereafter, my lord, appeal court, appeal has been allowed. Against that order, I have come before your lordship.
I see. Appeal court's order.
Yes, my lord.
So you challenge this as a decree before the appeal court.
I have not. My learned friend
But
client.
it was my challenge. I succeeded
As a decree.
as a decree. But I have some milord issue, milord. I shall milord.
It has been. It has been.
I'll hear you.
Rejected. Thereafter, they file an appeal.
Having heard the learned advocates appearing for the respective parties and having considered the materials and report, affidavit of service finally could take place. And having considered the materials and report, the interim was granted on 17th September 2024, which is valid till the end of December 2024, stands extended till the end of August 2025 or until further, whichever is earlier. Is this matter under the heading contested application in the month of March?
Interim order.
Maintainability, milord, your lordship.
Sir, you are aware, I will always consider your application.
Milord, it has been extended in my presence, milord. Somewhere that your lordship knows the other bench.
What is your point of maintainability of this and submit?
In my respectful submission, the second miscellaneous appeal lies before this honorable court. Rule 104, milord, is very clear.
Hey, देखी একটা CPC দাও না কি দেখছো
103, milord.
CPC এখানে আছে as a returnable motion, monthly list of February, interim order till on August, July, till April, monthly list of February, April.
Point of maintainability on
Point of maintainability as raised by the learned advocate representing the opposite parties shall be considered on the returnable date. Monthly list of February, monthly list of February as a returnable returnable motion. আর কটা আছে
Item number 30.
Item number 30 मतलब I'm for the petitioner.
For the opposite party, milord.
मतलब in a suit for मतलब eviction under the Transfer of Property Act, my lord, the defendant's application under section 7(2), my lord, filed, my lord, I have filed an application challenging the said application. Well, that has been rejected. My lord, in a suit for recovery of possession under the Transfer of Property Act, my lord, 7(2) is not maintainable because under the Premises Change Act 1997, if the suit is filed under any of the grounds, my lord, therein, in that event, my lord, he can invoke an application under section 7(2).
You are for the petitioner.
I'm for the petitioner, my lord.
Where is the affidavit of service? Who is
Well,
appearing?
The service, my lord, I served upon the opposite party. They received. I also served copy of the application upon the learned advocate for the opposite party in the court below, and it has been received.
Have you checked up?
Yes, my lord, I have checked up. And the learned advocate for the opposite party appears today.
Oh, he's there.
Yes, my lord.
Having affidavit of service filed in court is taken on record. Having heard the learned affidavit of service filed in court is taken on record. Full stop. Having heard the learned advocates appearing for the respective parties, let the interim order, which is valid till the end of December 2024, stand extended till the end of August 2025 or until further order, whichever is earlier. List this matter under the heading contested application, monthly list of March. No, April. অনেকগুলো মার্চ হয়ে গেছে। Otherwise, I can't do this.
Grateful to yours.
April. Item number 31. Item number 31.
31, my lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord. This is for extension of interim order dated, my lord, 26th of September 24, my lord.
I have the instruction to appear on behalf of the opposite party.
Where is the affidavit of service?
My lord, my affidavit of service is not ready on my part. My lord, I have served.
Sir, are you appearing on behalf of all the opposite parties?
My lord, I have been instructed, my lord, to appear on behalf of opposite party number 1. 2, my lord, I did not get instruction.
Sir, your difficulty to understand. If the petitioner is unable to demonstrate service on the opposite party number 2, though the learned advocate representing the opposite party number 1 is present in court.
My lord, opposite party number 1 is the director of opposite party number 2, my lord.
Present in court. Who happens to be the director of the opposite party number 2? Let the interim order passed on 26 September 2024 stand extended till the end of August 2025. Petitioner is granted leave to file affidavit of service in course of the day. The interim order will not be given effect to unless you file it.
My lord, during the course of the day, my lord, I have some difficulty, my lord. If it
No,
can.
sir. You have no, sir. You file it. Affidavit. Yes. And this is not a contract. August April. April.
The return of lordship has posted, my lord, in.
So,
great. Other matters, my lord, is it my lord's pleasure, my lord, that after 2 o'clock, my lord, or because I heard my lord wasn't feeling too.
Mr. Banerjee, can it wait? Then I'll do one thing. If it can wait, I can do 2 things. One, that I can permit these matters to be moved before the vacation bench, or in the alternative, these matters will be retained in the list and it will be taken up as upgraded motion in the monthly list of January.
35, 36, I can see Mr. Mukherjee, my lord, he's also leading me. My lord, the
Lord,
urgency.
Lordship, on behalf of the respondent, your Lordship, I'm praying to keep the matter after vacation, your Lordship.
Well, the urgency is.
Please understand, it's not that Mr. Banerjee does not want to move the matter. Mr. Banerjee or Mr. Mukherjee is there to move the matter. So, Mr. Mukherjee, tell me whether
there is one of some Mr. Mukherjee, my lord, is there. So.
My lord,
Mr. Mukherjee, tell me.
My lord, I appreciate, my lord, because my lord, I heard your Lordship is not feeling well, nor
No,
am
it's
I,
fine.
my lord, my voice is gone. But my lord, I just wanted to say this, my lord, my learned friend is also appearing, my
Yeah,
lord,
glimpse of what the
on
matter
the
is.
other
If I
side.
consider,
Your
then I'll
Lordships
take
will
it up
kindly.
after the
Yes,
the.
yes.
Or else I
Yes,
can
my lord, I
post it
just want to
tomorrow.
tell your Lordship, my lord. No, my lord, I'll just tell your Lordship what has happened. My lord, we are concerned with the affairs of Calcutta Rescue Society. My lord, your Lordships, everybody's, my lord, heard of this. It provides street medicine and education for the poor. Now, my lord, unfortunately, there's a dispute among members of, my lord, this society. My lord, my lord, the petitioner in my case is, my lord, the chief executive officer. The immediate urgency is this, my lord, by virtue of an order, my lord, which was passed, my lord, in the suit in a section 151, though, my lord, at the order 39, seeking the same reliefs had been, my lord, refused ex parte. 151, my lord, was granted, my lord, ex parte. My lord, we went up on appeal. There was a slight delay of 15 days. Now, my lord, we asked for the stay petition to be taken up and, my lord, continuation to be allowed. What has happened? My lord, kindly see the exercise of jurisdiction here. My lord, section 5, my lord, on trial on evidence. And in the meantime, my lord, nothing will happen here. So, my lord, today, as on 1st of December, my lord, there is, my lord, over 1 crore outstanding, my lord, towards salaries, my lord, patients, critical care. My lord, I'm the chief executive officer. My lord, I'm the chief executive officer of the society. My lord, foreign donors, my lord, Azim Premji Trust, my lord, they are all holding on to their donations now. My lord, because of, my lord, this interscene, my lord, dispute, my lord, amongst the members. I was hoping, my lord, that, my lord, section 5 can be heard, no problem. But this interim relief will inure to everybody's benefit.
No, I'll place it. And since they are there, take file টা আনো চট করে আনো করতে এখন আনো এখনই আনো সেকেন্ড লাইফ পারবো না এখনই আনো এখনই ফার্স্ট পরেরটা ইমিডিয়েট পরের আইটেমটা নো You see, who's appearing for the opposite party in this matter?
I'm for the opposite
CO
side.
number.
I think,
No. Now their section 5 application is being heard. On one hand, on the
yes,
other.
my application.
Yes. Who's appearing? You are there, Mr. Mullik. Mullik is appearing.
Yes, Mr. Mullik is there, my lord, in the matter.
Yes, who's appearing? Yes.
I'm the opposite party, my lord.
Yeah,
What-
right, right. Sir, you see, section 5 on trial on evidence would make situation very difficult.
Trial on evidence.
Sir, if you agree to this, I'll condone the delay and send it back.
But the only thing, trial on evidence has been refused, my lord. That is, the impugned order has refused trial on evidence, my lord. In fact, the impugned order states that at this stage, the court refrains from exercising its discretion to allow separately provisions of order 19 Rule 1 while dealing with an interlocutory matter by affidavit. This is what the impugned order says. So probably
It is a
there's-
section 5 application.
but there's in fact, the learned judge in the impugned order has specifically stated that trial on evidence is not required.
Very well.
No, it says.
No, but I have to come and, my lord, prove. I have to give evidence. Kindly have a look.
Yes, it says to the contrary.
But the only thing, the direction by affidavits has been
Perhaps my learned friend has not looked at the order.
the second last paragraph, my lord, will kindly consider of the impugned order, nothing else.
Kindly place it, the file is coming. Kindly place the paragraph. The file is not here. Kindly place the paragraph.
My lord, kindly take 852, my lord. I'll just place it. From the point of objection as placed by the respondents verbally as well as by filing so and so. Question, my lord, that's order 19, rule 1. Question naturally arises where the contents and statements contained in application under so and so are true. And if such doubt takes place, then reasonably the facts require for an inquiry. And the maker of the affidavit may require to submit his evidence on affidavit to prove the fact, submitting him for cross-examination. This procedure would be in accordance with principles of natural justice as according to the procedure on Order 19 of court and both of which incorporate. Hence, the appellant petitioner, that's us, is provided with liberty to prove the controverted fact relating to the application under 5 by submitting evidence on affidavit prior to its adjudication by this court, thereby submitting himself to cross-examination. ID the application under section 5 supported by affidavit would be
You're
considered
agreed
for
by
yes.
this part. You're agreed by this.
Not that, my lord, not just that. We prayed that you hear the section 5, whichever way, my lord, the learned judge wanted to.
Mr. Mukherjee, then I have to allow or reject your application. Either way, I have to dispose it of. So far as considered prayers, there is no scope for passing any. I can pass an interim order, will not benefit any of the parties. I can do this.
No, my lord, may I indicate? My lord, may I indicate? My lord, may I indicate one thing?
All cancer patients, they cannot survive. That's the urgency.
We are the government.
That's the urgency.
I'll
Bank
grant you leave, Mr. Mukherjee, then move the vacation. I'll grant you.
account has been
Milord,
freezed.
may I, Milord, make a very short submission, Milord? I was appearing for the opposite parties, Milord, who are enjoying, Milord, the interest.
Total chaos. We cannot run. The patients are there, cancer patients are there. They will not.
Mr. Basu, this matter cannot be disposed of simply seated by. Then I have to hear both the parties. This will require detailed hearing, looking at the state of affairs as is prevailing today.
Power are not limited, my lord. Your lordship can, for ends of justice, can pass an workable order.
No.
My lord, I was only seeking a work. My lord,
Yes.
I was only seeking a workable order. My lord, I'll tell your lordship.
But
My
the
lord,
patient
when
will
we-
die.
My lord, may I?
Governing council has not been restrained from operating the bank account.
Bank account is freezed.
No, my lord, they wrote to the bank. The bank
It's
has
not
frozen
been
the
restrained.
account.
Very well, I'll clarify their position. See, record his submission.
Yes, my lord, yes. Kindly, my lord, provide, bank will, my lord,
No, I will
on
not
other
provide
checks.
anything. Since it is submitted, that bank has, operation has not been restrained.
Notice.
Kindly clarify, my lord, that the bank cannot, my lord, there's no order stopping the bank from operation of account.
Which is your item?
My lord, 35 and 36, my lord.
Where is the order? What order is it?
My lord, kindly take, my lord, annexure HH, volume 4, page 848.
No, difficulty is, Mr. Mukherjee, there is one more difficulty. You see, if you are permitted to operate the bank accounts,
Then how do I permit you at this stage? What is the requirement? How much money you will require?
You will keep the accounts. Your
No,
lordship
no.
period.
You tell me what is the immediate requirement.
But
Then
they
you come up. You tell me what is the immediate pending disposal. I have to exercise jurisdiction. Then you have to.
Well, lordships
Milord,
can.
I had a suggestion, Milord, if that commences, Milord, to my learned senior friends, Milord, then Milord, I had a suggestion. If my Lord kindly permits me, Milord, for a second. Milord, my learned friends are agreed because, Milord, Section 5 application, Milord, there is a Milord witness action which has been directed.
Correct.
Milord, let us, Milord, thrash out, Milord, the Section 5 application, Milord, on affidavit, Milord, tomorrow before, Milord, the learned code below. And so far as interim protection, which, Milord, my learned senior friends are, Milord, asking for, Milord, we can.
Section 5, 15 witness was paid for.
Milord,
Unheard of.
may I, Milord, may I?
Yes.
Milord, my Lord, can Milord waive Milord this witness action and all? Milord will Milord get the Section 5 application hard out, Milord, on affidavits. Milord, if my learned senior friends client wishes Milord to use any affidavit, Milord, to the objection, Milord, that we
When
have
is the
Milord,
next
taken.
date fixed before the trial court?
My Lord can also prepone that, Milord, we don't mind.
When is the next date fixed?
End of 10th of
10th of
February.
February is the next date.
10th of
Milord,
February.
kindly fix it tomorrow, Milord. We are ready to do the matter tomorrow.
No. Mr. Mukherjee, I can do this. Section 5, certainly.
Yes.
Section 5, because the main code issue is there. Today,
And Milord, so far as
just
bank
a
of,
minute.
I'm sorry.
Permitting you to use the bank account, and if the funds are ultimately taken away, please understand.
No, my lord, we'll give the accounts. These, my lord, I have given it.
Then I have to consider all these aspects. It will not be that easy, Mr. Mukherjee. I cannot say I'm placing it on the reopening date. In that case, you argue your matter before this court.
Who will feed the patient?
So that is why I'm sending the matter. I'm fixing a date on the 3rd of January. You exchange your affidavits today. At the end of the day, there is a delay in preferring an appeal. Please understand the situation. There is a delay
Because of the puja. Because of the puja. 5th October.
Maybe, but there is a delay. There is a delay. So you suffered that order. The order was there.
Another suggestion I have. Can you appoint a special officer who will run in the meantime?
No.
My hand.
Milord, I have certain Milord submissions then Milord to make.
I'm not considering that the special officer. Mr. Mukherjee, you tell me what you want. You want to take instructions, come back?
No, my lord, my lord, your lordship, seen the more vociferous slot, my lord, are in court. My lord, whatever they suggest, my lord,
Because
I'm happy.
Mr. Mukherjee, it is always better. You see, at the end of the day, I'm hearing an argument over the virtual conference and sitting in court is always different. So maybe your points may not be. If I miss out some points, so why take a chance? Yes, take instructions and come back if you want.
My lord, I'll kindly give me 1 minute, my lord. I'll just 1 minute.
Yes.
Which
order certified copy phone
certificate copy is the last one, my lord.
Yes, because it's all paginated.
848, my lord.
848. Should not be numbered, my lord.
Where is the original certified copy? With leave, we have filed it.
Annexed with the first one.
Certificate.
First one. Very good.
That should not be paginated. I don't know what has been done.
Yes, it is not paginated. First one is not.
Kindly keep your lordship's mind as a 15 days delay while reading the judgment.
Sir, I will consider the matter. Anyway, let us not go that far. Since you want it to be disposed of in a you appear and finish it on. When did you file the appeal? 3rd. No, 3rd November is the date of reopening. 4th November.
No, Milord, it was after that.
Naturally, 26th you filed it because you have taken a point that there is no delay. And when was the order passed?
7th October, my lord.
Milord, the entire puja vacation, Milord, has been excluded while computing, Milord, the number of days of delay. Entire puja vacation, Milord, has been excluded, though, Milord, the appeal was not filed on the reopening date. So, Milord, that's against general clauses Act, Milord, subject to
7 October, section 1.
Yes, Mr. Mukherjee.
My lord, there was 15 days delay. My lord, kindly ignore that, my lord, averment which has been made by way of abundant caution. My lord, there is a 15 days delay.
I'll not go into that. I'll not go into that.
Yes. So, my lord, if your lordship can hear it, I would prefer it, my lord, because the learned judge is also not
For me to
available.
hear it, I'll be placing it on the monthly list or the কবে আছে এটা ওগুলো carry forward হয়ে যাবে
That will not, well, that will not
on
do.
the reopening date, on the reopening date,
Sir,
or
my
the
lord,
third, or the third, or the third, I think. If you want it, no, it's up to you. Choice is yours, Mr. Mukherjee.
My lord,
Because
that's what I'm
you are
saying, my lord.
suffering. You are suffering today. Or in the alternative, I can direct the learned court to hear it out and consider this issue. But your challenge here is only very limited. Your challenge here is limited to
my
the
lord, it is
issue
Section
of
5 order.
order 19.
our challenge is, my lord, it is 227 application.
No, that is
Yes.
different.
Not
Yeah, that I'll hear.
No. That is very important, my lord. That is very important. Because in
You tell me, Mr. Mukherjee, what do you want? You tell me, Mr. Mukherjee.
May I get 1 minute?
Yes, Mr. Basu. Yes, sir. Please.
My lord,
My
will be
lord,
answered. When the order 13.112 has been filed, it was rejected on the ground suit is not maintainable and there is no prima facie case. There was no change. The following day, 151 application has been filed directing.
My lord is not hearing the appeal here, my lord. Well, these are all, my lord, matters of merit of the appeal.
Mr. Banerjee, why are you so apprehensive?
Application is eight
Has
of the
this court ever passed any order without hearing all the parties? So why are you apprehensive? Yes.
My lord, this was an ex-parte identity order passed, my lord, which is permissible in law.
Initially, there is no prima facie case. Court had held it. The same court passed an order of injunction.
My lord, we can place, my lord, the entire matter
court
in
held
great
that there is no
details, my lord. There is
prima
no
facie
difficulty.
Yes, and my lord, a subsequent cause of action.
Mr. Banerjee, if it is held that there is no prima facie case even at
My
one
lord,
stage.
that is not so. My lord, that is not so. My lord, with the deepest of respect to my learned senior friend, that was not
Perhaps
so.
that court cannot.
Court was of the doubt whether suit is maintainable or not.
Page 419, my lord, is the 5th October order. Kindly have a look.
I'm not going there. I'm not going there. Today it's not
My
possible.
lord, I have been made an Ovimonu here, my lord. All the learned senior counsels are, my lord, against me. My lord, we can come back, thrash out all the points on
Mr.
merits. If my
Mukherjee,
lord
tell
wants
me.
us,
Mr. Basu, you
my
tell
lord,
me.
to be
when
heard
you
on
want.
merits, my lord, we can come
My
back
lord, I
and assist
appear
the
on behalf
lordship
of
in
one of
great
the opposite
details.
parties, my lord. My humble prayer is, my lord, in the meantime, my lord, we are absolutely without funds. The society is without funds. The patients are not getting their medicine. We have been
My
unable to
lord,
give any
that
money.
is also not
Today, Section 5
factually correct.
application is being heard
Patients
on
are not-
trial on evidence. This is
Yes,
the direction.
let it be heard,
Please
my lord,
understand
tomorrow.
the situation.
Yes, but no, it can't be heard tomorrow. My learned friend knows better than me that tomorrow virtually nothing will happen in any of the courts.
No, tell me,
So, my
Mr.
lord,
the learned
Sir,
judge is
both
not
of you tell
available.
me. Yes, sir. Both of you tell me.
Lord, we are out of funds. We are out of funds, my lord. We cannot run the society. We can't pay
I'll
me,
send
lord, any.
it back to the trial court. You thrash it out there.
Lordship, in the meantime, my lord, what the order that was
I'll
passed
set
was
aside this order.
without.
I will
Yes,
set aside this order. Please understand.
Yes,
I'll set aside
yes,
this order.
yes.
I'll send it back to the trial court with a direction on the trial court to hear out the Section 5 on the very same date. Nothing remains in the matter.
No, that will be the appeal court, my lord.
That will be appeal court, the appeal court.
On the very same date, and thereafter he will proceed with the further hearing of the appeal of the stay application, if any, filed in connection therewith.
In the meantime, my lord, for the month of November, we have not been able to give in salaries
That
to our
I
staff,
cannot
my
grant
lord.
at this stage.
We have not.
Then
My lord, kindly-
particulars have to be disclosed. And
They have been given. They have been given.
Without
My lord, they have
allowing
been
the
given.
Section 5, Mr. Banerjee, you are not saying that without allowing the Section 5 application, the court will pass an interim order permitting them to operate everything. That will
No, my lord, not
create
that.
some
Not that.
difficulty.
Only this limited thing. My lord, only kindly consider
Mr.
this.
Mukherjee, tell me what you want.
My lord, I'll
lord,
tell
only
your
this-
lordship.
Yes.
My lord, your lordship's hearing an Article 227.
Yeah,
My
I
lord,
can
our
pass on.
yes. Now, my lord, our specific grievance is that, my lord, while my lord postponing a hearing on the Section 5, my lord, the my lord Court of Appeal has proceeded on the basis, my lord, that it should not hear, my lord, the stay application at all, which we say, my lord, is a completely wrong exercise of jurisdiction.
I will directly.
My lord, the facts which pertain here, my lord, would clearly show, my lord, that that exercise of jurisdiction needed to be made.
On
Well,
that
that's what
very
I'm
date, he
saying.
will decide that application. On 3rd, I'll fix it. Both parties will appear. All the parties are present. Everyone is present before this court.
Present.
Yes, all material parties are present.
Then kindly take it up on the 3rd, my lord. There's no
Third.
point, my lord.
Can you take it up on the 3rd, my lord? That would be my request, my lord.
Wait. Please on 3rd. Under the same
My
heading. As an upgraded motion, let this matter retain its position as an upgraded motion and appear on 3rd January 2025.
Much obliged.
You want to use any affidavit? You have disclosed whatever. Anyone wants to use any affidavit? You want to use
All the materials are before your lordship, lord. All the materials over the
not
court
you,
below
not
are before
you,
your
not you,
lordship.
not you. Where is Mr. Banerjee?
Direct the charge code to take up. The court is not available.
No, that I'll do.
No,
So
no,
where is
charge
Mr. Banerjee? Where is Mr. Banerjee representing the opposite parties?
Yes,
Where is
yes.
he?
What is happening? Mr. Mitra. Siddhartha উপর আছে তো, ওই যে।
I'm led by Mr. Shithar. I'm for the
Yes, sir. Would you like to use any affidavit?
Kindly direct.
কিসের affidavit?
No,
My
if
lord,
they
all the
want to
papers
use,
are-
there is a section 5 application
all
is
the
there. If they
papers
want
are
to
there,
use
man.
any affidavit, if parties, I'll record. Parties may, I'll be at liberty to exchange additional documents if they so desire.
Yes,
I'll be
obliged.
taking up for final hearing on that date. So it is
Obliged.
understood the matter will be taken up for final hearing. The parties shall be at liberty to disclose any additional documents if they so desire, provided advance copy thereof is served on the respective advocate on records.
Sorry, my lord, before the learned court below, they have used an affidavit. So nothing can be developed more than that. They have already, that is annexed.
The learned judge has passed an order.
No,
with
the
respect to-
No, he wants the learned judge, my lord, wants trial witness action
I'm not
on that
using any
affidavit.
additional documents, if any. So I'm keeping it open. Only additional documents, no affidavit is just.
Obliged. Obliged.
Let it be made clear that the aforesaid application, let it be made clear that the aforesaid application. Now, the parties are put on notice. The aforesaid application shall be taken up for final consideration on the returnable date.
Obliged, lord. Deeply obliged, my lords.
So, as an updated motion, I'll be hearing.
Obliged, my lord.
On
35.
35, 36, both, my lord. Obliged.
Regarding my lord, item number 34, my lord. Regarding item number 34, my lord, I can understand, my lord, is perhaps in that event, my lord, if your lordship kindly keeps that matter also, my lord, on 3rd of January, my lord.
I have given that instruction to my officers. If you want for vacation, I'll grant vacation.
Your lordship has heard. I can wait for you lordship to take it up on 3rd. Lordship may kindly direct it to appear on 3rd.
That would be taken, my lord. Item number 38, my lord. Well, that's why I mentioned the matter and your lordship pleasure was to fix it.
Mr. Kali, I can't take up this is the date. Mr. Kali, then I'll give you leave to move vacation bench.
My lord, kindly, my lord, since your lordship has been pleased to fix it, my lord, for hearing, my lord, having regard to the urgency, my lord, lordship, I will take only 2 minutes, my lord. Item number 38, my lord. My lord, kindly see there is extreme urgency, my lord. The position would be taken on 24th, my lord.
24th?
Yes, my lord. That's why, my lord.
They will file the. আচ্ছা ফাইল এসছে আনো বাকিগুলো আরো যে কটা মোশন আছে আনো হ্যাঁ একটা রকম নিয়েছি আর না নিতে পারি
The only thing, my lord, in item number 34, I can understand.
Mr. Kali insist আনো পরপর যেখানে আছে নিয়ে এসো I'll take up after 10 minutes. After 10 minutes.
Only item number 33. I am not making any prayer now. Mr. Dutt, my other side, is also here. Well, this is that order 13A matter. Your lordship kept it today, preferably to fix a date immediately after vacation.
Yes. Or say no. That is. Let it appear on that date. I'll fix it thereafter. Let it appear on that date. I'll fix it. Or second. It'll list on second.
Second.
List on second. I'll fix a date thereafter.
My lord, upgraded motion
can be taken up on second, my lord.
May not be possible. Let us see.
Of course.
Second, there are other matters. You have seen I fixed some matters on second also. Let us see how it goes.
Let your officers.
You have that first week, Mr. Sen. You have that first week because first week the monthly list is not being published.
let my lord, your officers note it. Item number.
Yes, yeah, officers are here.
My lord,
Thirty-
regarding
thirty-
item number 34, my lord, I can understand your lordship is not keeping well. My lordship will recall, my lord, on last Friday matter was heard by your lordship and directed me to come up with a supplementary affidavit. Now, my lord, since your lordship is not taking up it today, it may kindly be taken by your
Third. Which
Third.
item?
Item number 34, my lord.
Yes, third. And Mr. Sen's matter is item number
33.
33 টা ও থাকবে সেকেন্ড, এটা থার্ড। আর একটা ফাইল আনো, after 10 minutes I'll take up that matter.
Mine is 34.
My lord, item number 32, my lord.
38.
My lord, lordship had mentioned on the Friday, my lord, there is a order of, my lord,
acting matter নেবে বোধহয়।
No.
Yes, Mr. Kali, which is your matter?
My lord, kindly appreciates my lord, item number 32, my lord. My lord, it is my lord, no, my lordship,
Which is your matter, Mr. Kali?
my lord, kindly, my lord, if I am not bothering your lordship, if your lordship, I mentioned in that Friday, kindly grants my lord leave to move with the before the vacation
Yes,
bench.
yes. I will.
The difficulty is that, my lord, the matter is fixed on the 26th. Unless I bring an order, any order from the court, my lord, there is an order of disciplinary inquiry, my lord, before by the competent, my lord.
Difficulties there. Otherwise, I fix these matters already. Anyway, I will deal you. 32 ka leave. 32 leave to move vacation bench. 38 of.
I am aggrieved by an order passed by learned recovery officer DRT2, my lord. My lord, in a proceeding, my lord, initiated before the recovery officer, my lord, or in connection with the recovery proceeding, the petitioner is neither a borrower nor a guarantor. My lord, the petitioner has come to know about, my lord, the appointment of a special officer for the purpose of, my lord, taking possession of the land of the petitioner.
Where is the section 17 application? Did you file it?
No, my lord, it is a recovery proceeding, my lord, not under the recovery of debt due to act. My lord, now they are in execution. My lord, that stage is over. My lord, your lordship, that is not under the SARFAESI Act, my lord. It is under the recovery of debt due to the banks, my lord. My lord, they have obtained a certificate, my lord, the bank, without impeding me as a party. My lord, I am, my lord, a pro-industrial application, my lord, where, my lord, I am also owner of the part of the land. But without, my lord, making me as a party, my lord, they have obtained a certificate from the learned presiding officer behind my back. My lord, when, my lord, the learned receiver has been appointed to take physical possession of the property and also for demarcation and everything, my lord, I came to know about all this, about the passing of the certificate. But immediately I intervened. I filed an application, my lord, intervention application. My lord, there an order of status quo has been passed. But what the recovery officer has done, but he has not implicated me as a party and dismissed my application. Well, I shall take your lordship 2 minutes time. I shall take your lordship to the first order of status quo passed by the recovery officer. My lord, kindly come to page 79. My lord, the recovery officer is satisfied with the prima facie case I have made out, and also, my lord, the balance of convenience. That's why, my lord, he has passed the order of status quo order. My lord, thereafter, my lord, he passed the order impugned, my lord, dismissing my intervention application on the premise that since, my lord, the receiver has demarcated the property, there is no need for me to implement, there is no need for any further adjudication of the title, my lord. How this, my lord, can be done? But on the basis of a report filed by a receiver, can a BLR, my lord, adjudicate the title?
This matter has been mentioned and has appeared under the heading upgraded motion. No caveat, Mr. Kali?
No caveat, my lord.
Shall we take the
Well, as they have informed me, the police authority came to the land in question and
The
informed.
order is 19 November 2020, passed by the learned recovery officer TRT2, Kolkata, in connection with RC case number 54 of 2020. The instant revision application has been filed, whereby the application filed by the petitioner has been dismissed. So Mr. Kali Lanet, advocate representing the petitioner, by drawing attention of this court, the order number 23, dated 8th August 2023, would submit that the learned recovery officer
Has dismissed the application.
taking note of the submissions and the title deeds filed by the intending intervener, that the tab numbers mentioned in the attachment order matches with tab number in the title deed executed in favor of the intervener. And for the purpose of ascertaining whether the property of the certificate debtor is different and distinct from the said dark numbers, and directed the parties to maintain status quo. Stop. Mr. Kali, where is your deed?
My lord.
Where is your deed, title deed?
Yes, my title deed, your lordship will find, it starts from, my lord, page 52, yes, my lord, page 37 onwards. Well, there are diverse title deeds. I have annexed everything with my intervention application, but it starts from page 30.
To submit that the property from subject matter of attachment does not belong to the certificate debtor and has no nexus with the certificate debtor. Who would submit that certificate debtor? Who would submit that since the learned court was satisfied with the cases made out by the petitioner, stroke intervener, and directed the parties to maintain status quo. Video order dated 8th of August 2023. On 9th November 2023, 2023.
Not 24. It should be, my lord, 9th November 24, my lord.
8th August 2023. Enjoyed enough stay.
Yes, my lord, the entire application has been dismissed. My lord, your lordship, the order impugned will find that, my lord, the last penalty page, my
By
lord.
order dated 9th November 2024.
Yes, my lord. It should be 24, my lord. 19 November 2024.
The learned judge, on the basis of a report of the learned receiver, taking note of the fact that the property had been demarcated, identified and demarcated as the mortgage property, had dismissed the application. He would submit that since his rights are being interfered with, he was entitled to be heard. Post of the learned judge, learned presiding officer, without recovery officer, recovery officer without considering such aspect as dismissed the matter. Having regard to the case made out, and since it is submitted, that the recovery, and since it is submitted, from where do I get next date?
Well, the next date, your lordship will find, my lord, at the concluding portion of the order, concerned police station, my lord, at the last page, my lord, is directed to provide as necessary police assistance to the CHB receiver to execute the order of physical possession. Your lordship has got it.
When, yes.
Well, then thereafter, your lordship will find is disposed of the matter is next to on 18 December 2024.
Yes.
Well, the matter need not be taken on 18 December 24. The matter is adjourned till 16 January 2023. Well, in the meantime, well, they will take position.
He would submit that the police authorities, he would submit that
Having regard to the case made out and since it is submitted,
that the certificate debtor, armed with an order of police help, is proceeding in hot haste. I'm on the view that the petitioner is entitled to a limited protection. Having regard thereto, let a status quo in respect of this property in question be maintained till 15 January 2025, or until further order, whichever is earlier. List this matter under the heading updated motion from that date. The petitioner is directed to ensure service on the opposite parties and to file affidavit of service to that effect on the return of date. Yes.
But item number 39, my lord,